Hi, this is Bill. So what I'll be showing to you is how you could utilize the Apple Trackpad. So you may be new to Apple, transferring from Windows to Apple, then this video is for you. So on the top right, there's a search button, right? And you just need to go to Trackpad. After going to Trackpad, you will be landing to this page. So there are some few aspects or how to use it and at the same time configuring how the trackpad works. So basically here, what you're seeing, there's a point click and it gives you clear instructions like, so that blue highlights happening is a directional instruction on how you use it. So it's one finger basically that you can use and click any window, right? And as you go below, it gives you the ability to configure the speed and so on. Right, so let's move forward with the scroll and zoom. Right, regarding the scroll and zoom, you can see on the top what it does. So Apple is basically doing a good job here in demonstrating how to use it. So you use two fingers, right? It could be your hand with one hand with two fingers, as you can see on the right what it does. So it scrolls up, scroll down a window, right? So basically, you could configure further depending on what you would like to happen. So you could switch on or off these features mentioned here. So easily, right? As you can see, you could rotate, smart zoom, and so on using this actions here. So as you highlight, it gives you the ability to see, and as you can see, it demonstrates how it basically works, right? As we move to the more gestures, right? So you find out, right, with two fingers, you could scroll left and right? And you could also use three fingers, right? Depending on how you configure it. So basically, it will respond accordingly on depending on the scenario of your machine, of your Windows, or what window you're at, right? So I suggest to try it, right? Go to the trackpad, open some windows, get yourself familiar, and you will appreciate how the trackpad works from the point, click, scroll and zoom, and more gestures. Thank you so much for attending and watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be adding more tutorials so you could maximize your Apple machine. Thank you.